In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem promo codes in Angry Birds 2. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to tap, and how to make sure your rewards are properly added to your account. Start by opening the Angry Birds 2 app on your mobile device. Give it a second to load to the main homepage. If you're returning to the game, you'll land on the familiar hub with your birds, events, and the top bar that shows your currencies. Make sure you're connected to the internet since promo code redemption requires an online check. From the home page, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen for the gear icon. That's your settings. Tap it to open the settings menu. The layout can vary slightly depending on updates, but the overall structure remains similar, and everything we need will be accessible here. Once the settings menu appears, glance over to the right side of this layout. This is typically where the redemption options are located. You're looking for an option labeled promo code. It might be styled as a button, and it should take you to a small entry screen. Tap the promo code button to bring up the text field. Carefully type your code exactly as it's written. Pay attention to any letters, numbers, hyphens, or capitalization shown by the source of the code. If you're copying and pasting from a message, double-check that you haven't included any extra spaces before or after the code. Tiny typos are the most common reason a redemption fails, so it's worth taking a moment to verify every character. When your code is entered, tap the checkmark or OK button to submit it. The game will quickly validate the code. If it's valid and available for your account, you'll see a confirmation message, and your rewards will be granted instantly. Gems usually appear at the top of the screen alongside your currency totals, and cosmetic items like custom event hats will be added to your inventory or the relevant event wardrobe. If you don't see them right away, try returning to the home page and then back to your inventory to refresh the view. If you get an error, double-check the code for mistakes, make sure it hasn't expired, and confirm you're on a stable connection. Some codes can only be used once per account or may be region or event specific. Always use promo codes from official or trusted sources to avoid issues. That's all there is to it. Launch the app, open settings, find the promo code option on the right side of the menu, enter the code carefully, and confirm to claim your rewards. Enjoy your gems, hats, and the extra boost in Angry Birds 2.